centers are ready to commence digital learning in their school libraries, and they have commenced annual refresher teacher training for all the teacher librarians. The teachers training program was launched today at the Emmaus Conference Center in Port Moresby.
Bukilum Pikinini brought 47 teacher librarians from all 4 regions of the country to participate in the refresher training facilitated by staff from the BBP head office. Major sponsors for the training were ExxonMobil PNG and PNGA.
Yes, we do support learning centers, preschools of our impacted community, mainly outside the LND plan, but we do extend that to 6 Mile Learning Center as well as others.
While the training included 10 teachers from ExxonMobil plant site supported schools, EMPNG's assistants covered all the participating centers. The training will include upskilling in BBP's early childhood education program with topics such as class management, behavior strategies, inclusive education and sign language, digital learning, early childhood development, assessment, child protection, library management, phonics, and much more.
We would like to say thank you to ExxonMobil for their wonderful and great support. They've been supporting us since 2011, and they've continued to support us with materials to support our curriculum, and they've supported us with our literacy week, which we had a successful event. And they also have supported us with the wonderful videos that we've done, so you can pop onto our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.
BBP's teachers received digital training in November last year and now are ready to implement a digital learning program for children in the classrooms. Veronica Peter is one facilitator who had come up the ladder from being a teacher at 6 Mile Learning Center.
Coming up now and meeting emotion and very advancing technology through the education, children's education. So MEC, very easy long. Or teachers can put in more work, long or beginning, go inside, Lodisla app.
Bukilum Pikinini also supports other early learning center libraries which are run by other stakeholder partners in the country. Frida Kana, TV1 News.